Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your Google Tag Manager container between sites step by step clearly. Open your Google Tag Manager account. Select the container you want to transfer. Click on Admin located in the left-hand menu. In the Container column, find the Export Container option. Select the Export Container button. Choose the version of the container you wish to export. Click Download to save the export file to your computer. Now, navigate to the other site where you want to import the container. Log into your Google Tag Manager account for that site. Create a new container if you haven't done so already. Select that admin option again in the left-hand menu. In the Container column, find the Import Container option. Click on the Import Container button. Upload the container file you previously downloaded. Choose whether to add the container as a new version or overwrite an existing one. Click Continue to proceed with the import. Review the changes that will be made based on your selection. Once satisfied, click Confirm to finalize the import process. After the import is complete, verify that all tags and triggers are functioning correctly. Make any necessary adjustments to tags or settings to align with the new site's requirements. Finally, publish the changes to make your imported container live. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.